This is another tutorial on how to trade with AI automated bots to multiply or triple your profit. For those who want to join free classes, make sure you click the link on bio and I'll guide you for free. And for those who want free funding, make sure you comment AI automated bots and I'll fund you with a startup capital. So this is how we start our trade with 508 in Binance. Make sure you have a verified either Binance account or any other account that you can use to fund your Runquilly account. Then you will go to your browser, search runquilly.com. That's where you get free AI automated bots. So for now, I have an opportunity of 250. We are planning to make something out of it that we can double it or anything that will make. So let's be positive. Yesterday I did a video on how to fund and on how to withdraw. So make sure you check it out. So you'll just come to your trading bots. After funding, your trading bots will be unlocked. Your trading bot will be unlocked, and as I said, you can withdraw your funds anytime. So we'll be doing a trade with a capital of 250. I had seen a bot here. This one, Trend Master bot. Trend Master bot. I'm sorry, and you can see the percentage profit is 480, and the risk or the loss profit margin is 30%. So for those who are trading with it right now, you can see they are around 64.7 thousand. So it's a good opportunity because it is not overloaded, but you have to act very fast. You can see here the running time is 2 hours. So I'm just try to analyze this bot for you. Remember, it is automated bots. After that, come and enter your amount. Remember, also we'll be doing copy trading. For those who want to copy trade, click on start. You start your bot. I won't set anything because I will be doing copy trading. I'll share a link in a few so we can check the logs. We can check the logs, guys. A big loss. That one was a loss of 4 USDTs. So you don't have to worry about losses. We have a recovery. These trading bots have recovery. These trading bots have recovery. You can see a recovery of 14. So we are at a PNL of 10. We wait for another one. Then I share the code for copy trading because it takes a short time, only 2 hours. For those who will act fast, I will be lucky to approve. So you can see another one, 2. That's a loss of 2. That's a loss of 2. Let's wait for one to form. One trade. Then I share the link. Another loss. So we are at a PNL of 4. No problem. We'll come and check it later. You just don't have to worry. So copy trading is here. Let me refresh and share the link both on Telegram. On Telegram and WhatsApp, you can see 16. So let me share. Invested to 50. I'll just come and copy. Then I'll pause the video so that so many numbers on WhatsApp, some have not been saved. For security purposes, I can't share people's numbers. So I'll just pause and then we come check later. So I've shared the link and I want you to check how people are very serious. So today, strictly 250 and above. That's what I will do. I've just approved some. So we'll check 18. And this is a withdrawal that I made today, actually, of 5,000. For those who didn't see it, people who have viewed 18. And make sure you also give that thumb and everything so that we can keep posting. 38. Let's get to 50 at least. 50 views. 50. Or let's wait another one if there is any 55. Okay, the request here, as I told you, I had approved. This one was lucky, but I'll be approving 250 and above. 250 and above. 250 and above, not 250. Or I just approve you guys. 250 and above. 13,000. Good. 13,000 again. And 250, 13,000, 250 and above, 250, 1,000. This for 60 and 40 and whatever, my guy. 120, 116. Go pull up your socks, get some capital, then come back 59,000, 1,888. We are past 150s, and the 50s. Maybe some other time I'll analyze the market for you, then we check. So that's how we do it. If you want to copy trade, you just come here. Okay, let me show you. You just come here, enter code, then the code I've shared, you just come and paste it here, then you set amount, you enter amount more than 250, then you set your stop loss. Make sure your stop loss it is at least 20%, then you start you send the request. So I'll approve some of you, but make sure it is 250 and above. Below that, it's a no for today.